Welcome. This is a short course on how to use the new Programmer Study Marksheets in Sims. The marksheets are a new way to record assessment without levels for the new curriculum. The aims of this course. By the end of this course you'll be able to navigate through the different parts of the curriculum using the new system, enter your formative assessments for your class and analyse your data. Who should take this course? Anyone who needs to enter or analyse formative data, so teachers and senior leaders will find this course especially useful, and anyone who's got an interest in the new assessment without levels. Prior experience in Sims is useful but not essential. All you need is access to Sims and a login ID and password. Before we start, we'll need to be running the latest Spring 2015 version of Sims. This version is also known as version 7.162. You can check this by clicking Help and About from the Sims menu system. You should see this splash screen and the version number is shown by the arrow. Lesson 1. Finding the new marksheets. You can get access to the new marksheets in one of two ways. Either you can use the new icon from the icon menu bar on the Sims homepage, or you can go to Focus, Assessment, Programmer Study Tracking Entry. Use the Subject drop-down to display the list of all the subjects we have available. Note all the foundation and core subjects are here, with the exception of RE. If a subject contains strands, then these are listed alongside, and if a subject doesn't have a strand, you just get the subject name listed twice. In today's example, I'm going to use Maths Year 2 and place value as the strand. So I choose Maths here, and then I choose place value from here. Choose a year group here. Secondary schools will see a different year groups for Key Stage 3, of course. Notice that you can't choose a registration group at this point, but don't worry, we can do that later. Here I'm choosing Year Group 2. Now we'll choose the relevant term. You can choose an earlier term at this point if you want to enter historical data. And note that you've got to choose a term in this box, and if you don't, an error message will be displayed. I'm going to choose the autumn term. The membership and academic year don't need changing at this time. We'll come back to them later. And notice here, you can actually maximise and minimise this particular section by clicking on these arrows here. Finally, click Populate to display the new marksheet. Well done, that's it for Lesson 1. In Lesson 2 we'll concentrate on different ways to enter data into this marksheet.